Once again, welcome back for the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths. We were doing the chapter Simultaneous Linear Equation, that's chapter number 5. And in the previous videos, we have already started with the problem sums. I have already covered type 1, type 2 and type 3 based on numbers. Today we are going to start with type 4, that is the sums based on the ages. My name is 𝐿𝐵𝗲𝗏 and you are watching 𝐿𝐵𝗲 classes. Let's get started. The first question is, 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his son, while 5 years hence the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So whenever you get these type of sums, you need to always consider the present age of the man and the present age of the other person. Okay, and then whatever criteria they are saying, 5 years ago, first we'll have to find out the ages before 5 years and then apply the condition. Again in the second condition, 5 years hence, so we have to find out the ages after 5 years and then apply the condition. So what I mean to say is, you will always consider the present ages of the two persons here. Okay, so here I will be writing, let the present age of the man be X years, and the other person is a son, and the present age of the son is Y years. Writing present age is very important. Okay, now in the first criteria they are saying 5 years ago. So first we will find out the ages before 5 years. So 5 years ago man's age will be X minus 5 years, and the son's age will be Y minus 5 years. So see, we have found out the ages before 5 years, and now we are going to apply the condition. The man was 7 times as old as his son. That means this X minus 5 is already 7 times than Y minus 5. So we'll write the condition as, according to the question, X minus 5 is equal to 7 whole into Y minus 5. Since the man's age is already 7 times, therefore we are multiplying 7 with the son's age to make the ages equal. Okay. So let us find out X minus 5 is equal to 7Y minus 35, or X minus 7Y is minus 35 plus 5, or we get X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30. This is my first criteria. Okay, so I'll just write down the equation over here. X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30. This is my first equation. Okay, now I'll rub this part and we'll find out the second equation also. So I'll just rub this part. Right, now see what they're saying, 5 years hence. So first of all we'll find out the ages 5 years hence. Okay, what is a man's age? Man's age is X plus 5 years. Okay, and what is a son's age? That is Y plus 5 years. So we found out the ages after 5 years. Now we'll apply the condition. The man will be 3 times as old as his son. That means this is 3 times. So according to the question, we'll multiply 3 with the son's age. So it will be X plus 5 equal to 3 whole into Y plus 5. Now let us find out what is the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 3Y plus 15, or we get X minus 3Y is 15 minus 5. That is X minus 3Y is equal to 10. This is my second equation. Now see, that is X minus 7Y, this is X minus 3Y. So the coefficients of X are same. So I can subtract. So I'll just write down 2 minus 1. Okay, I'm subtracting the first equation from the second equation. So I'm writing the second equation first. X minus 3y is equal to 10, and second one is X minus 7y. Okay, the 2 minus 1. Okay, so I'm writing the second equation first, that is X minus 3y is equal to 10. and the first equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Now since it is subtraction, change the signs. All the signs get changed. X and minus x gets cancelled. 3y minus 3y plus 7y will give you 4y. So this is 4y is equal to 40 or y is equal to 10. So we got the value of y, that is son's age, and that is 10 years. Now we are going to put this value in one of the equation. Let us put it in equation number 2. Okay, so let me erase this part. I think this is enough. So I am writing here, putting y is equal to 10 in equation 2. So x minus 3 into 10 is equal to 10. So x minus 30 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 40. So we got x is equal to 40, that is the man's age is 40 years and the son's age is 10 years. So we'll write hence, therefore, man's present age. They are asking for the present age. So man's present age is 40 years and son's present age is 10 years. Okay. So this way we have to do the sums based on ages. That is, we have to always consider the present ages. Then whatever criteria they have given, we will find out the ages first and then we will put the criteria. Okay. Let us go for the next question. Question number 2. The present age of a woman is 3 years more than 3 times the age of her daughter. So here two persons, that is a woman and the daughter. So let us consider, let the present age, this is the first step, okay, while doing this type of sums. Let the present age of the woman be x years and her daughter be y years. Now the present age of a woman is 3 years more than 3 times the age of her daughter. Now we'll apply the condition. Woman's age is 3 years more than 3 times the age of her daughter. So 3 times the age of the daughter is 3y and 3 years more than that is plus 3. So the woman says that is x. X is 3 more than 3 times the age of her daughter. So this is the equation. So x minus 3y is equal to 3. This is my first equation. Now they are saying 3 years hence. So first we'll find out the ages after 3 years. So 3 years hence, woman's age will be x plus 3 years and the daughter's age will be y plus 3 years. Now we'll apply the condition. They are saying 3 years hence, the woman's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of her daughter. That is, this woman's age x plus 3, which is 10 years more, that is plus 10. 10 years more than twice the age of her daughter. So twice the age of her daughter is y, 2 whole into y plus 3. So this is the equation. 3 years hence, the woman's age is x plus 3, which is 10 years more than twice the age of her daughter. So now we'll simplify this. X plus 3 is 2y plus 6 plus 10. So we are getting x plus 3 is equal to 2y plus 16, or x minus 2y is 16 minus 3, that is x minus 2y is equal to 13. This is my second equation. So the first equation is x minus 2y 3 and the second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 13. Again the coefficient of x is same. So we'll do 2 minus 1. We are writing 2 minus 1. So second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 13. And the first one is x minus 3y is equal to 3. Subtraction, this is minus, plus and minus. This gets cancelled. Minus 2y and plus 3y will give you only y. That is equal to 10. So the daughter's age is 10. And now putting y is equal to 10 in equation, I think equation 1 only I am putting. So this is x minus 3 into 10 is equal to 3, x minus 30 is equal to 3, or x is equal to 33. That means we are getting the woman's age is 33 years and the daughter's age is 10 years. Okay, let us move on to the next question. So the next question is, 1 year ago a man was 4 times as old as his son. After 6 years, his age exceeds twice his son's age by 9 years. Find the present ages. So here two persons, that is man and the son. So now I'm not writing the entire thing, I'm just writing man's. You understand this, man's present age is X years and the son's present age is Y years. You need to always mention the present age. Now 1 year ago, so first we'll find out the ages. 1 year ago, man's age is X minus 1 year and son's age is Y minus 1 year. Now they are saying 1 year ago man's age was 4 times as old as his son. That means X minus 1 is already 4 times. So according to the question, we'll write X minus 1 is equal to 4 will multiply with the son's age. So it's X minus 1 is 4Y minus 4, or X minus 4Y is equal to minus 4 plus 1. X minus 4Y will give you minus 3. This is my first equation. Secondly, they are saying after 6 years. So let us find out the ages after 6 years. So I am writing 6 years hence. Man's age is X plus 6 years and son's age is Y plus 6 years. So I found out the ages after 6 years. Now I'll apply the condition. After 6 years, his age exceeds twice his son's age by 9 years. So the man's age is more. Exceed means the man's age is more. More than what? More than twice the son's age. So more than 2 into Y plus X. Y plus 6 is equal to how much more? Is equal to 9. I always tell you to make the equation like the more minus less is equal to how much more. So here the man's age is more. So I have taken X plus 6 first. Minus the son's 2 times the son's age. Twice the son's age, that is 2 whole into Y plus 6, and how much more? It is 9 more. Now let us find out the equation. X plus 6 is minus 2Y minus 12 is equal to 9. So X minus 2Y minus 6 is equal to 9, or X minus 2Y is equal to 15. This is my second equation. So one is X minus 4Y and the other one is X minus 2Y. Again the coefficients of X are same. So I'll just rub this part. I'll again subtract the two equations. So I'll write it here, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. I'm writing the second equation first. X minus 2y is equal to 15. Below it, the first equation, X minus 4y is equal to minus 3. Since it is subtraction, minus, plus and plus. This gets cancelled. 2y minus 2y plus 4y will give you 2y. And 15 plus 3 will give you 18. So y is equal to 9. That means the son's age is 9 years. And now put it in any of the equation. So I'm putting y is equal to 9 in equation 1. So this is my equation 1. X minus 4 into 9 is minus 3. X minus 36 is minus 3. Or x is equal to minus 36 minus 3 plus 36, which will give you 33. So again here the man's age is 33 years and the son's age is 9 years. Okay, so you have to write it at the end that the man's present age is 33 years and the son's present age is 9 years. Okay, now let us move on to the last question for today. That is, 5 years ago A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later A shall be twice as old as B. What are the present ages of A and B? So again, when considering the present age of A is X years and the present age of B is Y years. Now they are asking 5 years ago. So first we'll find out the ages before 5 years. So A was X minus 5 and B was Y minus 5. Write down the units and everything. I'm just doing it in short now. A was thrice as old as B. So A is already thrice. That means X minus 5. We have to take A's age, that is X minus 5. And 3 should be multiplied by B's age. Okay, so X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. Arrange it properly. X minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5, that will give you minus 10. This is my first equation. Now this in 10 years later. So first let us find out the age is 10 years later. So A's age is x plus 10 and B's age is y plus 10. Now apply the condition 10 years later A shall be twice as old as B. That means this age is twice. So x plus 10 is equal to, we'll multiply 2 with B's age y plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, or x minus 2y is 20 minus 10, or we are getting x minus 2y is equal to 10. That is my second equation. Now again here we see the coefficients of x are same. So we will just do 2 minus 1. First equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10, and the second equation is this, and the first equation is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Subtraction, so minus, plus and plus, this is getting cancelled. 2y plus 3y will give you y is equal to 20. So B's age is 20 years. Now putting y is equal to 20 in equation, I am putting in 2. So x minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 50. That means A's age is 50 years. A is x years, so A's age is 50 years and B's age is 20 years. Okay. So here we have completed the sums based on ages. So you have understood by this time that first you need to consider the present ages. Always you have to consider the present ages, and then when they are saying 5 years before, 5 years later, first you find out the ages before 5 years or after 5 years, and then apply whatever condition is given. Okay, and always do not forget to write down the unit, that is years and everything. Okay, so here we have completed with the type 4, that is sums based on ages. Now in the next video I will come up with some other type. Let me see what types are remaining now. So thank you so much. If you're finding these videos are helpful for you, so please subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you. Stay tuned.